What's going on YouTube? Back with another video. It's your boy Hollywood here, and we got the truck all loaded down. We got my helmet in here. We got my boy Moons come get me hoodie. Unfortunately, he could not make it. Oh, need a hat. Yeah, get that out of the way. But we got white boots, obviously. I got some brand new Raven gloves I've been meaning to buy so I can match my boots finally. And yes, I do know my boots need to be cleaned, but that's neither here nor there. Got all my other gear, like all my other gloves, MBT pants. I'm wearing some right now. I just got done ripping the Ducati that's back there. I'm about to go over there in a minute. Yeah, we got Phantom, we got Logan, we got Caleb, and we're currently trying to figure out the bike situation. And yeah, so let's go. This is the loaner bike that I'll be riding. Boy Logan. Caleb, Ratchet Strap Man. This is actually going to be like a 2-day vlog. So today is currently Wednesday, but we are leaving tomorrow morning at Thursday. Be like 6 a.m. Phantom said he might be up in the morning, so we're going to actually have to see if he will be up in the morning or not. Hopefully he is, because he is our driver. But yeah, we're heading out to Dallas. We're going out there for the Ghost Times, or the Ghost and Quiet pop-up meet. Well, I guess you can't even call it a pop-up meet because it's more like planned. Anyways, we're going out there for the Ghost and Quiet meet, and then I'm going to try to link up with Rafa, Mez. Finally, we'll be able to get to meet Will. Will, if you're watching this, you know I'm going to gap the fuck out of you, and I'll forever gap the fuck out of you. Unfortunately, I do not have my bike because it's currently getting worked on right now. I took it up there August 16th, but they didn't get around to it till yesterday, Tuesday. So it is what it is. But I do have the wonderful loaner bike back there, the Ducati. Dude, I've been talking about a little thing. I want to keep it a secret right now, but that thing is hot. That thing is hot. I don't think I can handle it. I only took it on like really a 7-minute ride, like a test ride. That thing was cooking me already. I don't know how y'all do it. I don't know if I can do it, but boy, hopefully Dallas is not gonna be too hot. But if it is, just know your boy's gonna be going through it. But I'm making this content for you guys, so hopefully you do enjoy. So yeah, stay tuned, and hopefully this is gonna be a pretty banger video. This video is gonna end at bike night for Thursday. So yeah, we're gonna get the drone up in the air. We're gonna get some footage on the Ducati over there, and we're gonna make it do what it do. All right, ladies and gents, it is currently like 7:30-ish in the morning. Got snacks and stuff with me. Got everything loaded up. We are currently running a little bit late, but it's not my fault. It's Phantom's fault. So we're here fucking sluts. But let's get this road trip underway. Like I said, we got like 11 hours to go, so we can do what it do. Made it to Dallas. We are now checked into the Airbnb. This place is pretty nice, pretty big. I like it. I love it. Just got the bikes unloaded. We are currently about to drop the trailer, and then I'm gonna go head to bike night. I don't know if they're coming with me or not, but yeah. Got the rental right there. We got Phantoms. S1K with all this forged carbon. Beautiful, beautiful forged carbon. Oh, man. And then we got Hippie's MT10. Then we got Logan's S1K. All the bags. The ding dongs up there about to drop the trailer. Boy, it was a task and a half unloading or backing this trailer up, because I kind of already saw it wasn't going to fit, but you know, you can still try, whatever. So I'm about to suit up and head over there. Rolf was there, Mez, should be Joey the human, Fastlane D should be there, Blondie should be there, Ave rides, all the Texas people. So let's get it.
We out here in Dallas, baby! Bro, this shit is so lit, bro. We're on the way to go meet up with Mez and Rafa for their little pre-ride at the cottage. And then we'll be going, I don't know, we're going to the bridge first, and then we're going to the cottage, riding up to the cottage. Rafa said that it's raining over there right now, so we're going to have to see. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I don't know if this is fucking too bright or too dark, sorry. Cause I got my ND filter on, I forgot to grab my damn clear filter. I'm on the rental right now. What do y'all think? Could I ride a Ducati? Would you still follow me if I got a Ducati? I've been thinking about getting a V4, I cannot lie. Oh no! Oh no, Dylan!
out here. Fast lane D.
What was that?
He don't know. I don't know what he's doing. He's fucking with his helmet. And look at how many bikes are out here. And you still got bikes pulling in, and they got like a whole bikini bike wash over here. It's probably going to demonetize video. If it, well, I'm not even monetized, but I'm definitely getting this on camera.
Hey, $5 your bike already. He's got the same sock that I have. Yeah. Hey, you see what else he did? I've been thinking about this for years.
Alright guys, gonna wrap up the video here. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I know it was more of like a travel slash bike night video, but don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, wear your gear as we're all squidding. Ride safe. I got to see a lot of the same people I saw in Atlanta, which is very cool. Got to meet up with them and talk to them again. I missed them guys. Fast Lane D, Ave Rides. Met Rocket. I missed Will, Kid Hill. He figured out who I was finally. What the? What are you doing, brother? But yeah, that's gonna be it in the video. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, share. I'm closing this out once again. I'm over here procrastinating. What? Ooh. Yeah, tomorrow is going to be freaking wild, overstimulating. There's probably going to be choppers out everywhere. But don't forget, wear your gear, ride safe, keep chasing greatness, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace!